checking out the EZVIZ EP3X Pro Chime Kit, a complete video doorbell setup that includes the doorbell itself, a solar panel, and a chime. It's basically an all-in-one smart doorbell solution that gives you 2K video clarity, dual lens coverage so you can see both your visitors and any packages on the ground, built-in storage with no monthly fees, and continuous power from the sun. I've been testing it for a while now, and in this video we'll go through the unboxing, design, setup process, app experience, and real-world performance. And by then, I'll tell you if this EZVIZ kit is worth adding to your smart home setup. The kit comes in a pretty nice box. Inside, you'll find two smaller boxes. One includes the video doorbell and solar panel, while the second one contains the chime. Inside the main box, you get everything you need to get started. There is the doorbell itself, the solar panel, mounting hardware, instruction manuals, two different mounting brackets, drill templates, and even wiring in case you want to go for a hardwired installation. The chime comes on its own in a separate compact box with some paperwork inside because it's completely plug and play. You just plug it into the wall socket, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and it's ready to go. And in case you want to check out the latest prices or availability, check out the links down below in the video description. The main unit looks clean and modern, a matte gray finish, slim design, and that dual camera setup that instantly makes it stand out. The upper lens is a 2K forward-facing camera for visitors and surroundings, and below it is a 1080p downward-facing lens that lets you see packages or anything happening on the ground. It's weatherproof and feels solidly built, ready for any season, whether it's rain, snow, or heat. The solar panel matches the design nicely, and it has a fixed angled shape that's already positioned toward the sun. It connects to the doorbell through a cable that is decently long, but you can make it look clean by tucking the remaining length inside the solar panel itself. Once it's mounted on the wall or wherever you choose, the setup looks neat and well integrated with your doorway. The kit gives you a lot of flexibility when it comes to installation. The doorbell itself has a built-in 5200 mAh battery, so it can work completely on its own. However, you can also plug in the included solar panel for infinite green energy. And that's exactly what I did. For the review and demonstration purposes of this video, I mounted the solar panel right next to the doorbell so it's visible and easy to show how it works. You can, of course, also hardwire the doorbell to your existing doorbell wires if you already have them in place. But in my setup, I decided to go fully wireless, powered only by the built-in battery and the solar panel combination. Setup through the EZVIZ app is straightforward. Simply follow step-by-step instructions on the screen. The chime connects to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and syncs instantly with the doorbell. Once set up, the image quality is excellent. The top camera records in crisp 2K resolution, while the bottom camera has a 1080p feed that shows what's happening right below your door, like package deliveries. The color night vision mode is also impressive. Thanks to the built-in LED, the doorbell can illuminate your doorstep and capture clear, colorful footage even in total darkness. You can also switch to standard infrared night vision mode for a more discreet look, and it also offers very good video quality. The EP3X Pro uses smart human shape detection so it can tell people apart from pets or moving objects. You can easily adjust the detection sensitivity or even draw custom detection zones for both human and package detection. The package detection feature is very useful, so if the delivery is dropped off, you'll instantly get a notification. And if someone later takes it away, you'll get another alert saying that the package was taken. That's especially useful in case someone tries to steal it because you'll know exactly when it happened. Another great feature is two-way talk. You can speak directly with who's ever at your door, and I found the audio quality to be surprisingly good, both from the speaker and the microphone. And if you prefer to stay more private when talking to strangers, there is even a voice changer feature that lets you disguise your voice.
Hey, how are you today? Hey, how are you today? How is your day?
Hey, how are you today? How is your day? How is your day?
Hey, how are you today? How is your day? Can I rob your house?
The EZVIZ app itself is one of the most complete ones I've seen on a smart doorbell. You can view the live feed, manually start or stop recording, take snapshots, or browse through the timeline of recorded events. The timeline is clear and detailed, showing exactly what happened. For example, when a human was detected, when a package was delivered, or when the package disappeared. Inside the settings, there is a lot to customize. You can check your battery level, switch between different power-saving modes, adjust intelligent detection settings, notification preferences, light brightness, speaker volume, image parameters, and privacy zones. One feature that I really like is the call notification. Besides the usual push alerts, you can set it so the app actually calls your phone. That's an excellent option if you want to make sure you never miss an important alert even when you are away. The device also works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Overall, the app is comprehensive, responsive, and easy to use. One of the biggest selling points of the EP3X Pro is its free built-in 32 GB of storage. You don't need any micro SD card or paid subscription. It can store up to about 6 months of video history depending on usage, and that's completely free. And if you ever want to use cloud storage, there is still the optional EZVIZ Cloud Play plan. Privacy-wise, EZVIZ lets you block out certain areas with no filming zones, and in case someone tries to steal the doorbell, a loud alarm goes off and you instantly receive a notification. Plus, the device can be reused by anyone else thanks to its account binding protection. The included chime is more than just a doorbell soundbox. It has 20 different ringtones, which is a lot more than other chimes I've tested, adjustable volume, and even a built-in siren if you want extra alert options. You can adjust ringtones and volume through the app or mute it completely when you don't want to be disturbed. Here are a few ringtones. What's cool is that it also doubles as a Wi-Fi repeater, extending the doorbell's connection range, which is perfect for larger homes where wireless signal might struggle. The included solar panel is a big advantage. It keeps the doorbell running indefinitely with sufficient sunlight, meaning you won't have to worry about charging or replacing batteries. If you live somewhere with cloudy weather, you can still hardwire the unit for consistent power, so it's very flexible in terms of installation. In daily use, the system has been responsive. The motion detection alerts arrive quickly, video loads up fast in the app, and the two-way audio is loud and clear. The solar charging has been reliable even on partly cloudy days, and the chime's Wi-Fi repeater function makes a noticeable difference in connection stability. Overall, it's a well-rounded system that covers everything from visibility to power management to connectivity. The EZVIZ EP3X Pro Chime Kit is a truly complete package. You get a smart dual-lens video doorbell, a solar panel for free power, a chime that doubles as a Wi-Fi extender, and 32 GB of built-in storage with no monthly fees. You also get crisp 2K video, color night vision, human and package detection, customizable privacy zones, voice changer, and anti-theft protection, all in one clean, easy-to-install setup. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed smart video doorbell that doesn't require subscriptions and it is powered by solar energy, the EZVIZ EP3X Pro Chime Kit is an excellent choice. Tell me in the comment section down below, what do you think about this video doorbell setup? Would you choose this one or would you choose another option? Also, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.